So this is a Kenmore and washing machine. The switch broke and they showed me how to take these clamps off and then take this apart. So if I can do it, you can do it. You had to make sure to get that unclipped. Oh, you had to take 2 screws out. 1 screw there, 1 screw there. Again, this is a Kenmore washing machine. I really like this one too. Anyway, so yeah, it was hit and miss. So they gave me a switch. So I'm replacing it with the new one. And I've got this piece in now. And then I'm getting this screw off. And then I'll tuck the wire over here. Just a minute. So I got the wires tucked here. Switch is good here. And then I've got this screw in here. Hold that. Now you gotta hook that piece up to this. Okay. So I've got the switch in there. I don't have a lot of room to work with, so I got a wall here. Everything looks good. So now I'm gonna lift this up. Let me get my screwdriver out of there. Oh, what do you got? Oh dear. Okay. Then you put this back in here. All right. Carefully, I guess. Flip this up. This flips up. Catch that. Okay. I guess this just fits back in here. Okay, so you just kind of lay it back in there. Okay. And I'll have to tighten those up. And that switch, you got to put this switch back in. And I know that cream was on the left. Tan was on the left. I got to put some clips back in on these things. Alright, so I've got those screws tightened right there. Now I got to put this clip in here. Somehow. Okay.
What are you doing?
Putting the washer back together. I'm trying to. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so this is in here. And you got to get this down in here. Alright. Alright, so I was able to line it up and shove those in there. That. And get the switch plug back in. Then you just lay this down. Lay the lid down. Oh dear. And then just fit this in here. Okay. And these pieces, after you put these screws in, screws right here. And these screws over here. He showed me how to do it while I was there. Throw those back in. Just tight enough, not too tight, you know. You don't want to strip it. Okay. And then clip these back on. The guy's been doing it for 25 years and I just learned. So, all right. Here's the real test. Well, I'll let you know. Alright. Yeah. It was the switch. It's working. It should flow right into that next cycle. So if you have a problem with your washer, check the door flippy switch, because the handles to hold it screw up were broke. I might be able to super glue the other one, and yeah, have it ready for next time for just some strong glue. Alright, I'm excited because I like the washer. Have a great day.